Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing a sketchbook tour, but I'm gonna be compiling all my sketchbooks from 2013 until today, because I just want you guys to be able to see where I came from and where I am now. And then in the future, whenever I start a new sketchbook, I'm gonna let you guys know, and then I'll do singular sketchbook tours for the sketchbook I've just finished. But I just want to show you guys all the stuff I have right now and just get it out the way. This is 4, plus I have this one too. Also, I hope this whole shot is not out of focus, but probably is, because that's just me, out of focus. Okay, so let's just get started. I'm gonna start with the earliest one and then work my way up to the most recent one. And I'll try to talk about my thoughts behind all the sketches, but honestly, I probably don't remember because it's been 5 years since I've done some of these. And also, don't laugh at me in my 2013 sketches, okay? Okay, so this is from high school, and I think this was the summer of 2013, and we would get assignments to go to a museum and copy our favorite painting in the museum. So I copied this Matisse thing. It's called Standing Odalisque Reflected in a Mirror or something. This is a study I did of one of those little wooden mannequin things, because I was trying to practice figures, but actual figures were too intimidating to me at the time. I was just actually scared to draw people. This was a storyboard because I used to take film. I was a film kid, I guess. And yeah, I just sketched out a few scenes from this one movie I wanted to make about this fortune teller lady. So yeah, I used Prismacolor markers and pencil for this. And here's some more thumbnails. I'm just showing you the highlights, or my favorite things from all of these, because it's just too much to show every single thing in all of these books. 2014 to 2015. This is a mixed media thing. It's watercolor and ink and gel pen. Hand studies. Another portrait. Another portrait. Another portrait. I really liked portraits. This was when I got the pink Converse that I really wanted, and I drew them. This is a thumbnail for a larger painting. Our teacher always made us do 5 thumbnails before she would let us start using a canvas, because I don't know, I guess she didn't want us to make some ugly stuff. This was the one I ended up doing on a big piece of wood. And I think, oh, here's another one. This is actually more recent. This is the 3rd one. I think it's 2015, but who knows, to be honest. Okay, so this is acrylic paint of this teapot. I don't know, I just wanted to do a still life. This is a 2-page spread of my dad playing with my cousin, and I don't know, this is really fun to do because there's just so much stuff everywhere, and I really like busy compositions. It's Where's Waldo, but it's you don't even know if there actually is a Waldo or not. so deep. This was one of the first times I got a smaller sketchbook, and I really actually liked it. It was fun. I just used graphite for this. I'm pretty sure, honestly, it was a mechanical pencil. This is a little still life with bottles and pictures and stuff. This is a portrait of a girl I sat next to in trigonometry, and then this is the other girl I sat next to in trigonometry. I hated that class. I'm pretty sure this is my friend Elliot's cat. His name is Poe, and he's like white and black, and he's super chill. This was a sculpture from some museum. I'm pretty sure it was the National Gallery in DC. Same thing for this one. I don't know what this is. It's like some random like abstract thing I was trying to do. This is some Chinese restaurant in New York, and I started coloring the chairs, but then I was like, oh wow, it bleeds through. So then I just stopped. This is a thumbnail for one of my favorite paintings that I've ever done. This is me and my best friend. Trees. Portrait. Okay, these next couple pages were thumbnails for this documentary I made about my piano teacher. So okay, this is my most recent one. Okay, I actually hate spiral sketchbooks, but the teacher was like, I only accept spiral sketchbooks, and I was like, oh my god. But yeah, so he was really into us doing continuous contour drawings with micron pen. So yeah, like you just have to like put your pen down on the paper and then never pick it up until you're done drawing. Okay, this is a portrait I did, a self-portrait in micron pen. I don't know, cool shit, right? Another one of my best friend. Let me zoom in on the hair. And another one. Oh, these were like this exercise about negative space. I don't know, just had to draw objects on a table, but like not draw the objects, draw the space around them, and then see if like the objects themselves would become apparent. Okay. These are thumbnails for an assignment. Okay, this spread is my thought process and planning for this, for my final 3D project. And I can make a whole video about like my process of the project and everything if y'all want. Here's some thumbnails for a larger perspective drawing that I did. I ended up doing this one. Okay, so I did not film an outro, but I hope y'all enjoyed the sketchbook tour. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.